number 25. I'm on the page 266. After the Torah reading, Hav Kaddish is recited, and one is raised up the Sefer Torah. Okay, so Hav Kaddish, that's usually the person who was reading the Torah, right? This Baal Korea, who like the public reader, he reads. Or they can call on somebody else. For example, there is a mourner in a congregation. He lost the loved ones, so they called him, and he can read this Hav Kaddish. I mean, I don't think it's strict. Right?
I have a question about this.
Yes.
If there is no mourners in that occasion, no, there is a skip of the Hav Kaddish.
Not this one. It's a good question. Not this one. This one is obligatory Kaddish. So this Kaddish is said by the one who was reading from the Torah. Some Kaddishim. Okay, let me explain. Some Kaddishim are said by the Chazan, the one who is leading the prayers, and some Kaddishim are said only by the mourners. But if somebody wants to, for example, somebody wants to, he can say Kaddish. Chazan, he wants to, he can say Kaddish. I think the laws of the Kaddish maybe not the next one, but like in a few other sefim. So, but people do not say Kaddish because it's a bad sign. You know, it's a bad omen. Like you start saying Kaddish, maybe like Chas v'Shalom, maybe you're going to lose somebody in your family. You understand? So unless we're obligated to say Kaddish, or it's on a temporary basis. For example, sometimes I would say Kaddish, like now I have to say for somebody. I have somebody passed in my family, but before that I was not saying. And somebody would ask me one day or one prayer. He's sick. He cannot come for Shacharis, right? So he asked me to say for his relative on Shacharis. So one time basis there is no problem. But one person started like regularly say the Kaddish, that's the problem. I mean, rabbis say it, but it's a different thing, right? When the rabbis say it, I mean that's common because we know for sure that he's saying for other people. For example, there is single people who passed away, and there is nobody who is going to say Kaddish for them. So he's the only one available, basically. That's exception. But for other people, we try not to say unless you have to, or on one-time basis.
So this Hav Kaddish is recited by the Hassan only?
Yeah, no, it's if you have mourner, for example, in some shuls they give mourner like this privilege. The mourner would say Kaddish, yes.
And about this, that is a bad sign. So if a good sign maybe Siman Tov in Hebrew, how will be a bad sign in Hebrew?
A bad. It's no. So it's like it's ein haram, right? Ein haram. So you giving yourself a bad eye, right? So somebody died in his family. Maybe his father died. His mother died. Somebody died in his family. That's what people think. That's not a good idea. So we try not to give ourselves this ein haram. Okay.